Well, good morning everybody. It's Friday, nearly the weekend, and what a glorious day. Look at the blue sky. I just had to come on this morning because I got dressed because it was quite cold, so I had a coat on, but then by half an hour ago I thought, no, the coat has to be ditched. It is quite warm, and of course there's no breeze today, and I'm in Doggies Park in Glasgow. And of course, if you've read my post, the exciting news, my book, in fact, two books, but I've chosen The Weight of Emptiness. I've told them that's the book that I want to go ahead with, is number 8 in the international book competition, the festival. So number 8's not bad, and of course if you win it would be fantastic. So I'm just affirming I have won. Success is there. I'm using my affirmations, my ABC, just breathing and just visualizing, imagining, using my creative imagination that I'm there taking the winning trophy. So of course, group thoughts please everybody. Please send all your lovely positive vibes to me. And thank you to everybody who's bought it and all those who have sent lovely feedback. If you can manage, I did ask, I would like to have more reviews on Amazon. So people email me with their feedback. But if you could possibly head off to Amazon and The Weight of Emptiness, you just click, I think it's support, and then it goes down to another box which says click to review. So that would be fabulous. Thank you very much. And today I have Floyd, who is pootling, very slow pootling along. And I have Isla. There she is. There, this way. No, this way. Come on. Good girl. And we'll just let Floyd join us. Oh, there we are. Floyd, this way. Good boy. Good boy. That's it. Oh, it's lovely today. So peaceful. I hope this is bringing you peace and calm. So many little paths along this wood. I met a lady the other day and she looked lost. I did say, are you lost? She said, yes. And I said, well, I've been told by there's some park attendants and they do come and pick up rubbish. Horrible when people leave their rubbish. But he said that actually, if you kind of follow most of the paths around, they do lead you to an exit from the park. So not to worry, overly worry. But this bit is lovely, isn't it? Just bring you up into the sun is splitting the sky today. There's not a cloud in the sky. Now you can shut out the distant noise maybe of traffic and just listen to the birds. Well, I hope you all managed to get out today and that it's sunny where you are. I know people have been desperate to get flying abroad since the lockdown, looking for the sun. But actually, when you get a day like this, there's nothing better. Good girl, good girl. I love when the sun glints off the leaves. They're like jewels, emerald jewels. And actually I'm probably quite glad Floyd is slowly pootling along, which means I can just be slow as well, just dawdle. Right, girl and boy, which path will we take? There's even more woodland over there. I've not been down that one. That path. I can hear water as well. Yes, I think perhaps part even of the River Kelvin. There is slow moving water down there, but I think it leads more to, there's a main road further up. So we're going to go this way. You're a good girl. Come on. And I think there's children today. Yes, there's children. The children's nursery are out. Well, they come out in all weathers. Hi, Barbara. I hope it's nice where you are. This is gorgeous here. The sun is just glorious. It's so warm. I've still got a jumper on, but not quite t-shirt weather yet, just in case. Now that's the children's nursery setting up camp, really. Isla, good girl. Here, come. Good girl, good girl. There you are. She's very good. She comes on command, so it is lovely. Floyd, maybe being male, he's just got a mind of his own, haven't you, Floyd? Floyd? Yeah. Oh, you are listening to me, are you? You're a good doggy today. Eh? He's a good doggy. Isla? Are you? You're good. No jumping. We're not allowed jumping. No jumping. So I think we'll go this way because I think just to stay away from the children's camp. I thought there'd be more bluebells. Somebody posted up a lovely photo of their bluebell woods. And I think we've got lots of bluebell leaves, but I think the bluebells have gone. Isla! Come on, come. Just picked up a stone or a stone or a twig, I think. Come on, we'll go this way. Some paths are a bit overgrown. No, this way, this way. She's ready to pop, I think, down there. Oh, now I can see the river more clearly, I think. There's doggies and children down there. You stay here, Isla. Isla, come here, here. Good girl, good girl. What's this? Here. What's this? Isla, what's this? Come on, here you are. That's it. That's it, I know. I've got to bribe you because there's doggies. Oh, and there's Floyd saying, don't forget me. I've not... Right, okay. There we are, bribing them, honestly. Is that what we used to do with the kids? Here's a sweetie, behave. Not the best thing to do. But, there's definitely... I've not been this way before. No, Isla, come on. No. It's too steep there. Isla, here. Come on. That's it, I think. I think I'm going to have to put you on the lead here. Right, come on. Yes, it's very steep down to the river there. Look at that. I don't actually know what part of the river that is. It may well have come from... Floyd, here. Come on, Floyd. Floyd, here you are. He's doing it as well now. I think we'll not come this way again. Floyd, Floyd, here, Floyd, come on, here, Floyd, Floyd, here, come on, and here, that's it, this way, Floyd, here, Floyd, come on, that's it. Oh dear, they're all waiting on biscuits, right. Sorry folks, but I think the lead is going to go on because it's a really steep, no, this way, Floyd, come on. Right, that's one on the lead. And Isla, here. What do we see? Can we get you on the lead as well? Can we? Yeah, we'll just put you on the lead. We'll go through to another path. Oh, it'd be terrible if I lost two doggies down some cliff towards the river. There is a path across there. And I thought it was rubbish, but actually it's a seagull. A seagull sitting on a stone in the river, just maybe sunning himself. This is a lovely part of the woods, but I think, as you can see, it's quite a steep cliff there. There's a drop. And all we need is for the dogs to drop off there. Oh, goodness. So we'll go up this way, see where this path leads. You can't blame the dogs actually, they want to be rooting around for different smells. And Floyd's funny because I was just saying to his mummy that he's just taken to sniffing every blade of grass. I mean, it takes you about an hour to go 2 or 3 yards. And we were wondering, is it because of the newly cut grass, new smells? Could be. I think if we head up this way, I could take the leads off again. Right, come on, here. Right, that's you off, one off. And will we tempt fate here? Right, come on. Oh, here. We'll take yours off as well. Right. That's it. Oh, shake yourself loose. Floyd, this way. Come on. Good girl. Now I'm wandering aimlessly. Is there a poem? There's a poem. Is it Wordsworth? Wander slowly as a cloud? Oh no, I don't know. Brain's not working this morning. Now I'm going to try this, Barbara. I don't know what happens, but it says bring them on camera. Let me see. Oh no. It says there's technical issues. So you just need to watch me, Barbara, and listen. Oh, what was that? I hope it's not any snakes. Did you see the post up on Facebook about a doggie, I think it was a Visa actually, getting bitten by a snake, and it's an adder, which are venomous. And apparently they're rife just now in certain areas, certainly in Scotland, but usually among the bracken. Now the other tip was that if your doggie wears a bell, I think that seems to frighten off the adder. They say that they're quite timid and don't bite unless they're threatened, so obviously a big dog coming towards you would be threatening. Right. Now I think I'm back onto the path I know. You want to play and Floyd doesn't want to play. He still just wants to sniff. Nose to the ground. Well, I've also got quite exciting news about the Mind Circles Academy. That should be, it's nearing completion. I've always got a wee bit of a problem because I want everything to be perfect. And of course, sometimes if you are a perfectionist, it can hold you back. And that's not good either. You don't want to be held back. So sometimes it's a case of, I mean, Walter's really good and he'll say, look, let's just launch it, and then if people come back with feedback, then we can adjust things when we need to. So that's what we're going to do, and I believe we have some companies, some organisations, should I say, that are interested, because they're particularly organisations that are focusing on trying to prevent suicide, trying to help people who self-harm. So that would be fabulous. I don't think we can completely prevent suicide, but if we can even reach or stop one person, then it's all worthwhile. And of course I managed to get, sorry it was a wee bit later, my April podcast, which was about turning rejection into an opportunity. And that sounds ridiculous really, but I'm sure we've all been rejected, whether it's in relationships or for jobs, and you're distraught and then you start getting frightened and afraid of rejection. But as fear just holds you back. So you need to stop the fear, and you can do that. The first thing is, of course, is to stop saying or ditch the words I can't, it can't. Turn these into I can, it can be done. I think there are now, since I started, there are now 28 podcasts, different topics, and they're doing well, and thank you to everybody who's supporting me. It's only £4 a month, and it helps keep me going. And of course, if you want me to talk about a topic, please message me, text me, email me. And comment if you like on the YouTube videos. Constructive, please. There's so many people nowadays, because of social media, just almost want to be being negative comments, destroying people, destructive. Oh, I don't know why. I mean, why they get pleasure out of that. I mean, if I don't agree with something, I certainly wouldn't put up a tirade on social media. We all have our own opinions. So try to be constructive. We've all been through job reviews or job appraisals. I remember asking one audience when I was speaking to them, and I was talking about praise and encouragement. And I remember actually saying, who's been praised? And one hand went up immediately, and it happened to be a Glasgow person, a Glasgow guy. No, come on. Oh, Isla, in the mud. Come on, this way. Good girl. Come on. Oh, one's got to get in the mud. Oh, there's Floyd maybe following her. Come on, this way. So I was really delighted, and so I said, that's fantastic. You've been praised? Oh yes, he said, I've had these appraisals and they're awful. And I said, oh right. I said, clearly he was getting negative feedback at his appraisal. So I said, well, that's really sad, because you should have constructive feedback. sometimes we've got to be told, of course, you know, maybe you weren't so good at that, but always try. It was a friend who's been a mentor to me, and he said, even in emails, letters, feedback, start with something positive, then maybe go into more detail on things that they could do better in, and then end with a positive, because that motivates people and inspires them. And I love this now. Isla's just going mad, running around, round in circles. This way, Isla, come. Isla, come. Come on, Isla, come. So, there was another doggy now. They're going to have fun with this. I'm going to sign off now, I think. Right, Isla's kind of going into the challenging pose and then is getting, oh no, I don't think I'll match this one. Isla, come on. Isla, come. Morning. There we are. You having a good run? Oh.
Trying not to be in the collision.
I know. They just ignore you, I think. Sorry? Yes, I know. I do a video called the Pup Park Pootles. So this is right. If you didn't spend your energy in barking, Floyd.
You're doing well.
It's a lovely day, isn't it? It's absolutely gorgeous.
The last hurrah for the weekend.
Yeah. Right, guys, come on. Right, I'm going to sign off, everybody, I think. Thanks, Barbara. Okay, have a great day. Remember my ABC and smile and laugh. They cost you nothing. And I'm having a good laugh at the pups here. And of course, virtual hugs to everybody. Okay, have a fabulous weekend. Bye.